Hello guys, welcome to City Money. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy cryptocurrency on Bybit. So sometimes people get confused when you talk about buying and selling. Or when you talk about trading. Trading is one of the oldest activity of humankind. It's something that we always do on a daily basis. Do you get? So when you go to your market to buy food, to buy this, so you're buying something, you're trading. When you go to the market to sell something, you're trading. But when it comes to digital assets, people mindset changes. I don't know how they start seeing trading. These are things we do on a daily basis. So you shouldn't complicate it for yourself. It's very simple. So when you want to buy a cryptocurrency is a digital asset. So if you want to buy it, the same way you go to market to buy Maggi, pepper, beans, rice and all that, that same way it is. So there are different products. So for example, you're looking at my screen and you're seeing major, you are seeing cake, you are seeing nut, you are seeing memify, you are seeing X, sand, X infinity. So these are different assets. Just like, let me just equate major to rice. So major now equals to rice, cake equals to beans, nut equals to Maggi, memify equals to pando. So that's it. So if you decide to buy rice, it's your choice. You want to buy rice because you believe, oh, I need rice to cook, or I need to buy rice and keep for the future, so that by the time the price of rice goes up, I'll be able to sell it at a higher rate and make money. That's how it is in the digital space. Do you get? So now, using Bybit, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto coins, either for long-time investment or for short-time trading. Do you get? So now when you open your Bybit account, make sure you verify it. There's what is called KYC, know your customers. So make sure you do it. So once you create your account, if you come to this icon here, if you haven't verified, you see a button for you to click and verify. But if you have verified, you see your account like this, verified, guys. You see it verified. So come back, make sure you verify the account before you go ahead to deposit money or carry out any trade activity. If you don't know how to sign up on Bybit, make sure I will leave the link in the description of this video, a YouTube lesson that will teach you how to sign up. And again, you can as well use my referral link in the description of this video. So guys, to buy coin on USDT on Bybit, so once you log into the app, this is how it's going to look like. So before buying, I believe you've already deposited USDT into your Bybit account. So for you to see your assets, just click on this asset section. Once you come to this asset section, you're going to see what you have here. You can see here, our money is on funding. When your money is on funding, you won't be able to buy anything with it because it's on funding. Any money on funding is money you use to trade on P2P market. So you can't use it to buy anything. The unified trading account is where you need to transfer the money you have on funding to be able to use it to trade. So why is it unified trading account? In some exchange, you won't see it as unified trading account. You see it as spot account or spot trading or spot. Then you will see a separate one for futures. But Bybit has joined everything together, both the spot and the perpetual, which stands for future trading. They have joined it together. That's why they said unified trading account. So for you to buy any crypto asset, you need to transfer your fund from the funding account to unified trading account. So for you to do that, just come to this asset section. Then it will be like this. Click on transfer. Once you click on transfer, make sure that the funding account is the one at the top, then the unified at the bottom. Now what you're transferring is USDT. Here I have 6.6756 USDT on Bybit. Just click on max if you want to transfer everything. If you don't want to transfer everything, you can just type in the amount you want to transfer, for example 3. Then you come here and click on confirm. But in this video I want to transfer all, so I'll just click on max, then click on confirm. So now it has been transferred successfully. So if you look here now, you see the money is now on my unified trading account. So now that is now on my unified trading account, I can now use it to buy any crypto asset I want to buy. So guys, so the asset I'll be buying in this video is Stone Coin, but that doesn't mean you cannot buy any other asset. You can buy any other asset, guys. After you've had money in your you've transferred from funding to unified trading account, you can now buy any asset of your choice, guys. Any asset of your choice. So if you don't know how to deposit money into your Bybit account, I'll also be leaving the link a link to a video that will teach you how to deposit money into your Bybit account. Make sure you watch the video, guys. So now I will just come here, this section that is showing market, or this section that is showing trade, guys. So if I, for example, if I come through this section that is showing market, I'll just tap on it. Then I will make use of the search bar, search for the crypto coin I want to buy. I told you in this video I will be buying major, so I'll just click on major. Then this is it. It will bring it out for me. You can see it here, guys. You see, the one you should be trading is the one under spot, major/USDT under spot, guys. That's the one you should be trading. Then if you want to come through trade using this trade section here, once you tap on it, you will see spot here. Make sure you're always on spot, not on futures. Do you get? Not on futures. It's only when you want to trade futures, that's when you now switch it to futures. Do you get? But if you don't want to trade futures, just make sure you are on spot. That is when you go through the trade section. Then for you to change the asset, you see here that is showing major/USDT. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to select the currency. If the currency is not here, make use of the search bar. Make use of the search bar, then search for it. For example, major/USDT. So it will be on the spot. This is the perpetual trading, which is the future trading, but the one you're using is the one on spot, guys. So that is it. And you see this yellow star here. If you want to put it on your favorite, you just click there to put it on your favorite. You see now removed from favorite. So if you want to put it on favorite, just put it there. For you to buy, just click, since you've gotten the asset, click on buy. Once you click on buy, it will bring you to this interface. So you see here it's showing limit. The available USDT I have is 6.6. Here is showing you limit. So if you are using limit order to buy, your trade will not execute immediately. So tap there and change it to market. Once you change it to market, if you want to buy using all the assets you have, just drag this yellow button to the end, then click on buy, guys. Once you've done that, you've now bought your major token. You can see it in your available balance. So I have 35 major token. If you go to the asset section, you are going to see, if you on this unified trading account, you are going to see your major. You can see it here, the assets you have. That's how simple it is, guys. And if you want to transfer this to someone else, you have to transfer it from unified trading account back to funding account before you can send it to someone else, guys. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and turn on your notifications so that you'll be the first to get my updates. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.